Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Muhammed Adil is 7. Today I am going to show you how to make your own emoji. Let's go.
Okay, we can go to Play Store and type for make your own emoji. In WhatsApp also it is or Facebook also. In our keyboard, second language is our emoji. See, it's a maker emoji which we can make. Also the MB is 29.9630. It will come. Yeah, it's good app, and we can create our own emoji. Then we can download to our keyboard also. We can share also. It will show random or new. We can make new only. We can click open and open it. It will show new random and shop. I'm clicking new. It will show like this. You can change color. I'm taking this color and taking a eye love shape. I am taking, and next is mouth love shape. I am taking like this. It's already in our keyboard. It's there. Simply I am taking for a showing you.
Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe, comment, and like to my video. Bye bye. See you next week.